So here is, you guys, I think all of you got the catalog so far. So that's good. Here is one of the stamp sets, and they're called Penguin Place. And what I like about this is if you, of course, you order $60 or more on August 3rd, you can get the matching paper as a freebie. So this is paper. Isn't it cute? Yeah. So there's that. So the colors here are soft sea foam, just jade. That purple one, is it freesia? Fresh freesia, something like that. That's what that is. Calypso, coral. And I think that's it. Oh, a misty moonlight. Misty moonlight. Oh, who's that? Brenda. Okay. Can't see her, but that's okay. Hi, Brenda. We just started. Okay, so yeah, this is cute paper. Not sure. Where's my punch? Here's the punch. I'm pretty sure you can punch these guys out. I haven't tried it yet, but Stampin' Up, that's kind of what they've been doing these last couple years. So the backs are all sort of a two-tone color, and then the fronts are the designs. Anyway, it's super cute. A lot of people are making cards with this bear. I've seen super cute. Super cute. So I'm gonna make my waterfall card with
Leanne?
Yes.
There is no punch for the bear though, right? Is it just a punch for the penguin?
Correct. It's just a penguin punch. You'll have to fussy cut the bear.
Fussy cut the bear. Okay.
Yeah. Something Leslie loves to do, right, Leslie?
Yeah. Always.
Nah. Just kidding. Okay. So you can start with this is the one I did earlier today, and I'm going to show you, seeing as you're all just watching, I'm just going to show you a little. I forgot to put his nose on there. I thought something looked funny, but anyway. And then it just opens up kind of this way. So I'm going to do a different one. I'm going to use Misty Moonlight with the 4 1/4 by 11. Take some of my glue. You know, every now and then you come across some paper that you don't want to put glue on the back because it's too pretty. This one's one of those colors. So it doesn't really matter what you do to the background. That's just a regular card base. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take, if you're going to use a tag topper, so I use the tag topper, you don't have to. But that just makes this nice little pull tab down here, that little thing. And I'm going to use a colored cardstock on this one instead of a white one. So I'm doing it slightly different. Then you should go 9 1/4 by 2 inches. So 9 1/4 by 2 inches. If you're not going to do a topper, that's just because it takes off quite a bit. Then just do 9 inches by 2 1/4. And then we're going to score this little bookmark looking thing. Let me put this away so I don't lose it. We're going to score at 2 inches. We don't cut that. I found my scoring blade. Remember, I lost it the last time I was Zooming with you guys. So 2 inches, 2 3/4, 3 1/2. So basically every 3/4 of an inch, and then 4 1/4. So I have 1, 2, 3 little slots there. So I'm going to fold these slots down. And so when you come to do this, you see how I folded it and it's a bit crooked? Can you see that? Maybe not. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just make sure that you make sure that that's straight. So push it over a little bit and just take a bone folder and crease that so it stays well aligned. And then do that for every score. You really want to make sure when you pull it that you're aligned well. So do one more. That's going to be my little pull tab. So on this one, you would do the white exactly the same way. And on this one, I told you to cut 4 pieces that are 1 3/4 of an inch square. That's the white. And then cut a frame, which is 2 inches square. So, but on this one, because I did a colored cardstock, I'm just going to do the white. Okay. So I'm going to take Miss Penguin, Miss or Miss. You see the new way that they're doing these cases? Some like it. I don't think Kate likes it. And some don't. I don't know what to think of it. I guess you're supposed to take these off and then you always have a placement. Now, for a set like this, maybe it's kind of brilliant because there's so many tiny pieces in this that they could easily get lost. But they used to put the print on the back of this and now they put it in here. I don't know. I can't. Jury's out for me. I'm not really sure if I like it or I don't like it. So, all right, I'm gonna take this little. There's something that says "to the coolest friend ever." This one. So I'm going to take that. Oops. Very sticky. So anybody have an absolutely I have to have stamp from the new catalog? You can unmute yourself.
I haven't gotten it yet.
What? Was that Kate?
Yeah, that was Kate.
That's not good. How about anybody? Has everybody else got it?
Yep.
Yeah.
I will check on that for you. Okay, so I'm gonna say to the. Just gonna have to bear with me today. I'm just gonna stamp to the. So I have a cool trick. I don't know if you guys have the same issue that I have actually. Yeah. Sometimes I find with the photopolymer, when you have the really solid stamps, you go to stamp them and then the ink is so wet, it just kind of doesn't hold together. It splits apart. If you take your brand new, it's only when it's brand new. So if you take your brand new stamp, where's my cleaner? Sorry, I had my cleaner here. I don't know what I did with it. Anyway, if you, just gonna take this off for a sec. If you take your new stamp and some Versamark and just get it, where's my Versamark? I thought I was so prepared. Right here. Okay, so if you take some Versamark with these solid photopolymers and just stamp in here and stamp off, you always get a bit of residual of that Versamark on there. Then it seems like your ink holds better. I don't know why, but it works quite well.
And you only do that, Leanne, for the very first time you use it?
Yeah, just when they're brand new.
Okay.
I just find it so irritating when they're new and all the ink goes spills out. Okay, where is his little nose? That's his foot. This one you could lose really easily, I think. So many tiny. Kind of cute though, isn't he? There's his little nose. Just like that. Maybe we'll put a little hat on him. I think there's a hat in here. Yeah, there's a hat. Color should its hat be? We'll do it balmy blue. sure. Oh, I'm not perfect. I didn't do it perfectly. That's okay. Okay, so so that one I think I'm gonna put at the top here. So to the feel disorganized for as organized as I was before I came down here. Where's my black? Here with the lid on it. Okay, to the, okay, coolest. I'm just going to use the word coolest. Take off that. Using the fingers and a baby wipe. Oops. There's a better way to do this, but I'm too lazy to cover it up with a piece of tape. So this is how I'm going to do it. Okay. To the, where's my next piece? To the coolest. That's my second one. And then my third one. It's going to say friend ever. Just like that, to the coolest friend ever. Just a sec. But I'm not sure if I lost somebody. Gotcha. Okay. To the coolest friend ever. Here's my fourth one. Happy birthday. Where's my happy birthday? I could do season's greetings. No, I'm going to do happy birthday. Happy birthday. Stamp. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that yet, so let me just do this. Okay. Balloon. Let's get the balloon. Let's get some so coral. Get a little, you know, when these new stamps come and I look at all the images and I think, what the heck? Sometimes I can't figure out what they all are, and I have to go online to see what other people have done so I can figure it out. It's quite funny. This has a lot of pieces. Okay, next little ribbon. So do that. That. What's another one? Oh yeah, to the coolest friend. I like this one. I'm gonna take this little. Good thing I have lots of blocks. Lots of blocks. Take this one off. It's too quiet with you all muted yourself. Who's not muted? Talk to me. Who's not muted? You all muted? You're also quiet. Are you also tired?
We're watching you.
Oh.
Yes, we're just watching.
So exciting. Okay, to the coolest. I'm going to put one little guy coming in like that. One guy coming in like that. To put his nose on. What did I do with his nose?
Yeah, they definitely need noses.
Definitely need noses. Yeah, otherwise, well, that's not a nose, that's a beak. The beak and the nose kind of look similar. There we go. Little nose here. Little nose and mouth. Isn't they cute? They are super cute. Have to admit. Can even put a bow tie on one of them. Let's put a bow tie. This guy. Let's put a misty moonlight bow tie. That's gonna stamp. Excellent. Little bow tie. boy and
cute.
girl. Isn't it cute?
Mm-hmm.
We'll do a boy and a girl. How about that? Boy and a girl. Oh, that one is wet. Pink. Pink and blue. They're
That's
cute.
cute.
They're very cute. Okay, so a balloon to the coolest friend ever. Oh yeah. What I was gonna do. So now I'm gonna use the punch. I'm gonna get some black cardstock. Body. There's the body. Get some white cardstock. I'm gonna do the center of his body. So that's the watch. Somebody is going to come up with some crazy other way to play with this punch, I'm sure. See, it's like, sorry, I must scraps over here. So 1 foot, 2 foot. This wasn't a very good foot, that last foot. We'll do another foot. And that one flew so far, I don't know where it went. Let's do this. There we go. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3. So on here, let's put this guy. And where's my happy birthday? Happy birthday. Will it fit? We'll make them fit. Say happy. Ta-da! Oh, I have to stamp eyes. I better stamp the eyes before I glue it because I stamp the eyes and I don't like where they go. I want to be happy. Okay. And a nose. My goodness. It's a lot of work to this little stamp set.
It's
You're all
finicky.
You're all probably thinking, I'm not doing that. That's
Yeah.
too much work. But you know, sometimes I find with these sets, because I put them all on blocks and then I can't remember where I put everything. Anyway, back to his nose and his mouth. Ah, he's so cute though. I guess I could have put it higher. I don't know. I think that's cute. What do you think? Maybe his nose should have been higher. It works though, right?
Very cute.
Looks great.
Yeah.
That's because you're not here in person. Okay.
Well, Zoom is good so that I can still come even though I'm feeling sick.
Yeah, what's going on with you?
I don't know. Just got something over the weekend.
Not COVID, I hope.
No, I'm sure not. My head hurts.
Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's get his feet. I'm gonna take my
Yes. Feet do help.
feet help. He's cute once you put him together.
Mm-hmm.
Some assembly required.
Oh, I like that.
Isn't he cute? He's cute. Okay, let me close my ink so I don't make a mess of things, and I will show you how this goes together. All right, so we have our 2" by 9 1/4. I did the topper punch on that, and then I scored it, and then folded all those little things over. So I have 4 spaces, if you can see that. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? So we have 4 spaces. I'm gonna start with the bottom. And I'm gonna put some tape along. Actually, I'm just gonna adhere the whole bottom piece, just like this. So unlike the first one that I did, I'm not framing it, right? So instead of using a white piece like I had put in my supply instructions, I'm using a colored cardstock for my waterfall pull, and then just using 2x2 pieces of white cardstock. So we'll do that, and then we'll put a strip here. Make sure I get this in order to the coolest friend. And then, we'll do this one next. Here. Like that. And then one more up here. So just like that. So that's going to be the pull to the coolest friend ever. Happy birthday. So I could put something in here or write a message if I wanted to. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. I'm going to put a little bit of ribbon on here. So this is the black gingham ribbon from the new catalog. Or the, do you see that? It's kind of cute. It's kind of meant for Halloween, but I thought it would go really cute with the penguin. So I will snip some off here. That will be my pull. Whoops. Whoops. Okay. Double it over. Start over. Put that through. Just pull it. Just like that. Okay. Now, here's the front of my card. Put that away so I don't get things mucky. And I have a piece, a strip here that is 4 inches. You could do 4 1/4 if you want, by 3/4 of an inch. Size is not critical. I'm going to put some adhesive just on the ends of each. I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to take this piece, this is going to slide under. I want this tab to be able to freely slide under. So it's not really critical where you line this up. It's going to come maybe 1 1/4 above the top, just like that. So it's freely sitting in this channel here. We're going to center it a bit from right to left and top to bottom. And then when we're happy with that, am I happy? My head's in the way because I need to see where I'm lining up. Okay, now just put a piece of tape right in the center of this tab. So don't go beyond these left-right lines, okay? And then just fold the whole thing down. Just like that. Now, when I pull, I get a little waterfall. Isn't that cute? And that's it. It's just that easy. It is fun to do.
Very adorable.
And you could make this
That's so
wider.
cute.
Yeah, you could make this wider than 2 inches if you wanted to. It doesn't really matter. It's just more making sure you have enough room under this little tab, and and your measurements will stay the same. So yeah, cute. That's how you make a waterfall card. All right. Well, I wish you guys were making that with me. Is it prize day? I think it is, isn't it?